Well, so now we're gonna open Poopsie Slime Surprise. I wonder which one we're gonna get.
I'm so excited for this surprise.
Why? Because you love slime.
Sure.
Can you put it in the trash? Thank you very much.
It says, wait, do we open?
No, we're supposed to unroll this first.
No, I think we're supposed to.
It says start here. We unroll this first.
Okay, and then we'll open that.
Yeah.
So, let's see what our
It's
first
like a
surprise
toilet paper
is.
dispenser.
It
I mean
is.
roll. It is, huh? Unicorn food. Then unicorn magic. What does it say? Hello.
Nothing.
Surprise
it's a mystery.
scent. It's not a mystery, you goofball. And magic spoon. So this is where all the surprises are in the compartments of this thing.
So, do we open this now?
Yeah, now this is next. So you gotta twist to unlock, and now you can open it. Now you can open it. Ooh.
So, we're gonna open these 2 bags. Wait, actually there's 3.
3 bags.
So, we're
And
gonna...
the directions.
Here's the cup.
Ooh, we got a star. What is it? Oh, Poopsie. In other words, Starbucks.
What's
so
this?
Cute.
Ooh, it's our poop to put our slime inside. It actually opens from the bottom to put our slime inside. So, let's open our 3rd bag.
This one's cute. Of course, that's my favorite.
Of course, we like everything.
I like Starbucks. That's what I like.
I think this is our cup for our water.
And we actually got Holy Goopy.
Wait, does that say we will get green slime
Go
or
Poopy.
yellow?
Holy Go Poopy.
Wait,
That's what it's called.
does that say that we'll get green slime or yellow?
I'm not sure. We're gonna have to try and do this so we can.
We're gonna see if it's gonna be.
Look, and we got a rare one.
What?
So cool.
What does rare
Rare.
mean anyway?
It means we got one that
Special?
Yeah, one that's special. And this glittery green cup is so cute.
I know.
So sparkly. Okay.
So
we're gonna go get some water.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need water for this.
And so we can get the making started. We will be right back.
Okay, so we are back and we got a water bottle for our slime.
So, gotta open up our shaking cup here.
Shaker, shaker, shaker.
Gotta shake, shake, shake.
For
shake,
1
shake.
minute.
For 1 minute, yeah.
I already know
Fill it
that.
up to the line. So 1 and 2. Okay. Next, we're gonna put our unicorn food.
Can I do it?
And if you want to pour that in there, carefully.
Oh, I think it's green. That's what the paper said. I knew it would be green.
Okay. Got it all? Let me see.
I do.
Tap, 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 tap. Next, our our scent, which this
That's our spoon.
hard to open.
Wait, no, that's not our
It's our
spoon.
scent.
Oh, I remember that.
It's always like a unicorn shaped top.
So
Cute.
I think we're supposed to put 5 drops.
Yes, 5 drops it is. If I can get it open,
How does it smell like anyway?
let's check. Smells a little bit like cinnamon.
Yeah.
Kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay, so put the top back on.
And shake
Make
it for
sure it's
1 minute.
Close very well. Then you shake, shake, shake
For 1 minute.
for 1 minute.
Yep.
What time is it?
Uh,
I have no idea.
8?
No, I have no idea. So once you get this shaken for about a minute, you're gonna set it aside for 10 minutes. Let it sit.
Oh yeah,
And then,
we're supposed to let it sit.
yeah, we let it sit and
So
see how it comes out. So
Yep.
we will see you back in a few minutes.
Okay, so we are back to check our slime.
Let's check this out. It's been about 10 minutes. Ew.
Ooh.
Slimy.
Can I
I think
feel
it needs more time.
Can I feel it?
Well, yeah, but it's still gooey. Look, it needs more time.
Does feel like kind of
Super
like,
gooey.
I don't even know how it feels like. But it's still so icky.
So icky, icky, icky. Give it a few more minutes.
Okay. Okay, so we are back and we are going to check our slime again.
Why don't you open the spoon? We forgot about the spoon.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna open the spoon. It's kind of hard to get
That's
these
better.
open. Mom, can you help me open
Oopsie.
it?
Ugh, this is hard.
Let me feel it. Oh, much
Ooh.
better. Still icky.
A silver
thought-
unicorn spoon.
Yeah. I thought we would get a
Cute.
golden one. But it's still pretty. My hands smell like cinnamon.
So we are gonna add. Let's get a little piece of glass here. Our little unicorn magic. Is that what it
So here we have our unicorn magic.
says? Now we can either get metallic. Let's see. We can get ultra rare, which is sparkle, rare, or shimmer. I hope we get ultra rare. I like sparkle. Sparkle.
Wait, did it say change color? Or shimmer?
It's either shimmer, metallic, or sparkle. Let's see what we got. I think we got the rare one.
How do you know? Oh,
Because there's sparkle.
it looks
Yay.
sparkly.
Okay. Yeah, hold on. Let's just make sure we don't get any of it anywhere else. We want to get all that sparkle in here. So sparkly.
We made a mess right there.
It's a lot of sparkle.
Can I mix it up?
Yeah, we'll mix it as soon as we get all this sparkle on here.
Ooh, sparkly stuff.
This is so pretty.
My brother's playing with the drawers.
Your brother's always playing with drawers.
Not tonight.
Almost done here.
Okay, so after we get all of our unicorn magic on our slime, we are gonna put it in here.
Oh my god, this is so sparkly. Check it out, guys. This is cool. There we go. Try and get it focused. Got the ultra rare one.
Whoa, your hands are
Okay.
so sparkly. Oh. Feels pretty sticky.
So we're gonna
Put it in the poop.
put it in the poop.
What?
Put it in
It is a poop.
in
Toy poop.
your poopsie.
Oopsie.
It's so sticky. There we go.
And if all of it doesn't fit, we'll put the rest in the cup.
There we go. I think that's perfect.
Wait, just a little more.
No, because then this isn't gonna fit. Look,
Kidding.
see?
Now
That's perfect. Oh my god, so shimmery. Oh no, sparkly, that's the word.
Now my hands are so glittery.
And the rest just goes in this container. And you close it up. Close it up. And that's it. That was fun. Until next unicorn poopsie surprise. Just keep an eye out. We'll probably make another one as soon as it arrives.
So I hope you like this video.
And if you do, just give us a like. See ya.